All right, my dudes. So I'm going to show you how to open the hatch of a Toyota Prius if your latch has failed or if your battery has died or whatever. There's this little latch in here that I'm going to show you, but basically you need to get back here, pull up the carpet, pull up this piece here. You unlock those two tabs, it'll come up, boom. And then you have to open this little compartment right here, pull that sucker off. And then when you get up in there, you see that little tab right there with a ring on it? Boom. Push that sucker, or push or pull, I can't remember. But anyways, do one of the two, and then at the same time, push the door, and that sucker will open right up. And you won't have to crawl in there, replace the battery, or hook up a jump pack. It's a pretty awesome little thing, and I'm glad they put that there. Anyways, I'm glad this video helped. Please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a good one. Peace.